morning students. Welcome to SST So Simple Tutorial. मैंने आपको सैम्पल पेपर दिखलाया तो एक बात आपको दिमाग में आ गई होगी कि क्वेश्चन पिक्चर बेस्ड भी पूछे जा सकते हैं। मैंने आपको उसके बाद ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन पेपर दिखाया। ये उसी कड़ी में बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन की कड़ी में ये तीसरा वीडियो है। आज हम लोग पॉलिटिकल साइंस के बुक से और इकोनॉमिक्स बुक से कुछ फिगर्स या पिक्चर्स को देखेंगे और उसी को पढ़ेंगे। सो लेट अस बिगिन विद द पॉलिटिकल साइंस बुक फर्स्ट। द पेज नंबर ऑफ द book is given on the top of the slide. You may be asked to identify the building. This is European Union Parliament in Belgium. Find German engineering. This cartoon refers to the problem of running the German's grand coalition government that includes the two major parties of the country. The two parties are historically rivals to each other. They have to form a government because neither of them got clear majority of seats of their own in the 2005 elections. The two steerings clearly denote that they take divergent positions on several policy matters but still jointly run the government. The states plead for more powers. It shows the relationships between the centers and states. Should the state go to the center with a begging bowl? No, the states should not go to the center with a begging bowl. Here, the Congress government led by Srimati Indira Gandhi made the states virtually beg for their share of plan allocations and various economic packages distributed by the union government from time to time. This is the second cartoon, Perils of Running a Coalition Government. How can a leader of a coalition keep the partners of government satisfied? The leader of the coalition can keep his partners satisfied by respecting their views and sharing power. This cartoon offers an understanding of why Women's Reservation Bill has not been passed in the parliament. Men do not wish to pass the bill. See, all the entries to the parliament are blocked. They just pretend that they would pass the bill. Do you think that political leaders are right to treat people belonging to a caste as vote banks? During the elections, the policy of vote bank is followed in India. By doing so, political parties try to impress the people of their castes and modify the opinion of the people in their favor. So vote bank plays a significant role in determining the results. See the title, Berlusconi Puppet Theatre. Berlusconi was the Prime Minister of Italy. He is one of the top businessmen in Italy. He is the leader of Forza Italia, founded in 1993. His company owns TV channels, the most important publishing company, a football club, the famous AC Milan, and a bank. So he controls everything there. This cartoon highlights the challenge of the frequent use of money and muscle power in politics. Electoral discipline is not our cup of tea. Do you think this form of reforming political parties will be acceptable to them? No, this might not be acceptable to them, but strict discipline is required in order to have a healthy democracy. World wealth owned by a few. This shows that a large number of ultra-rich enjoy a highly disproportionate share of wealth and income in the world. Enemies. This image depicts that in a democratic society there can be conflicts if race, religion or caste are made the base of the society. These conflicts can divide the society. Greetings. This image shows that social divisions are minimized through democratic means. It leads to unity in society. Now let us see some pictures from the economics book. This is a demonstration against raising the height of the Sardar Sarovar Dam on Narmada River. What is happening in the picture? This shows how jaggery or gur is being made in Haryana. What is this person doing here? He is stitching a quilt. What are these women doing here? This is Women's Self-Help Group conducting a meeting in Gujarat. What is happening here? This looks like a call center in Bangalore with telecom facilities and access to internet to provide information and support to consumers abroad. What is happening here? Women at home in Ludhiana making footballs for large multinational companies. तो बच्चों ये कुछ ऐसे पिक्चर्स थे आपके पॉलिटिकल साइंस बुक से और इकोनॉमिक्स के बुक से जो मुझे लगा इम्पॉर्टेंट है एक बार आपके सामने पढ़ लिया जाए। तो मैंने आपको सभी इम्पॉर्टेंट पिक्चर्स को आपके सामने एक बार पढ़ लिया। आपको भी जब मर्जी हो आप इस वीडियो को दोबारा चला के एक बार उसको क्विक स्कैन कर सकते हैं। आने वाले दिन में मैं और भी बोर्ड प्रिपरेशन सीरीज़ के नाम से वीडियो बनाऊंगा, आप देखते रहिए। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।